Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve class 9 exercise 6.1 question number 4. In the given figure, if x plus y equals to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. So, first see in the figure, as already given that angle x plus angle y, which is equals to w plus z. Solution. Already given that x plus y, which is equals to w plus z. Okay. So as we can see that we have to prove that AOB is a straight line. For proving AOB is a straight line, we have to prove that x plus y, which is equals to 180 degree, or w plus z, which is equals to 180 degree. So let's see how we can further proceed. We are going to sum all of this angle. So what we will find out, if we sum angle x plus angle y plus angle z plus angle w, as you can see that this is whole. Therefore x plus y plus z plus w, which is going to 360 degree, because it is a complete angle. As already given that x plus y, which is equals to w plus z. So we are going to put w plus z as x and y. Therefore x plus y plus w plus z को अपन x plus y put कर रहे हैं. Therefore x plus y, which is equals to 360 degree. Here x plus x, which is going to 2x, plus y plus y, which is equals to 2y, equals to 360 degree. Therefore 2 will be common term in both. 2x plus y, which is equals to 360 degree, and we are going to shift this 2 to downside. Therefore x plus y, which is equals to 360 degree, divided by 2, which is equals to 180 degree. As you can see, x plus y, which is equals to 180 degree, and we know that if the sum of angle, which is equals to 180 degree, we can say that this both angles are linear pair. Therefore x and y are linear pair. Therefore we can say that AOB is a straight line. I hope you got this. Thank you so much. Next question number 5th. In this video, we are going to see how easily we can solve this question. Please note one thing. Please carefully watch first full video, and I had already provided the screenshot of the solution at the end. In the given figure, POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ, OS is another ray lying between OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS equals to half angle QOS minus angle POS. Let's see in the figure. It is already given that angle ROQ, which is 90 degree, and OR is perpendicular to PQ. So we can also say that angle POR, which is also going to 90 degree. Therefore solution. Angle POR which is equals to 90 degree. OR is perpendicular to PQ. We can write angle POR as a sum of angle of POS and ROS. Therefore, we can write angle POS plus angle ROS, which is equals to angle POR. I hope you got this. And we are going to put angle POR as 90 degree. Therefore, angle POS plus angle ROS, which is equals to 90 degree. So we are going to shift this POS to this side. Therefore, angle ROS, which is equals to 90 degree minus angle POS. So this is our first equation. I hope this much you got this. As we already find angle ROS, which is equals to 90 degree minus angle POS, which is our equation number first on the previous page. So here we have to introduce QoS for proving this. So let's see in the diagram. For QoS, we have to sum the angle ROQ and ROS for QoS. Therefore, we are going to write angle ROQ plus angle ROS, which is equals to angle QoS. As we already know, angle ROQ is 90 degree, so we are going to replace angle ROQ as 90 degree plus angle ROS, which is equals to angle QoS. Therefore, we are going to shift this 90 degree to that side. Therefore, angle ROS, which is equals to angle QoS minus 90 degree. This is our equation number second. As you can see that after adding equation first and equation second, we will got two angle ROS, which is equals to this 90 degree and this 90 degree is going to cancel out for adding equation first and second, and as same as angle QoS will be written out and minus angle POS will be written out. Therefore, we are going to adding equation first and second. Further, we will see on next page. So after adding equation first and second, what we have got two angle ROS, which is equals to 90 degree minus angle POS plus angle QoS minus 90 degree. So as you can see, this 90 degree and this 90 degree is going to cancel out. Therefore, two angle ROS, which is equals to minus angle POS plus angle QoS. So we are going to write this first. Therefore, angle QoS minus angle POS, and we are going to shift this to downside. Therefore, angle ROS, which is equals to half angle QoS minus angle POS. Hence proved. I hope you got this. Thank you so much.